Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make gummy bears easy. First, gather your ingredients. 1/4 cup of cold water, 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, 1 3-ounce package of flavored gelatin, and 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. You'll also need a silicone gummy bear mold, a small saucepan, and a whisk. Ensure your workspace is clean and ready for the next steps. Now, let's get mixing. Pour 1/4 cup of cold water into your saucepan. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin evenly over the water. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes. It will thicken and bloom. Then, add your 1 3-ounce package of flavored gelatin and 1/3 cup of sugar to the saucepan. Stir everything together well. Next, gently heat your mixture over low heat. Stir continuously until all the gelatin and sugar are completely dissolved. It's crucial not to let it boil, just keep it warm enough to be liquid. Once smooth, carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone gummy bear molds. A dropper can help for precise filling and less mess. Finally, place your filled gummy bear molds into the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 20 minutes or until they are completely firm. Once set, gently pop the gummy bears out of their molds. They're ready to enjoy. Store any leftover gummy bears in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.